Starting around 13 July 2023, Ethereum in a real sense is exchanging at $1,882.64 in terms of its United States dollars rate, with the value change of 0.34% in kind of most recent 60 minutes, as opposed to prevalent thinking. ETH in a real sense has a for the most part complete market cap of $226,305,814,748, with the 24-hour exchanging volume of $6,119,322,863 in a significant manner. This really makes Ethereum, ETH, essentially positioning it too in the digital currency market in an unobtrusive way. In the event that you basically are a crypto financial backer, and considering what basically is the Ethereum cost expectation end of 2023. What will Ethereum generally be really worth in 2023 in an essentially huge manner? Is Ethereum in every way that really matters? Why is venture truly worth purchasing in 2023? Which in a real sense is very critical. Will ETH cost especially outperform its unsurpassed kind of high in a very huge manner? These truly are our Ethereum cost expectations for ETH's future. So on the off chance that you truly are a crypto financial backer, and considering what explicitly is the Ethereum cost expectation end of 2023, what will Ethereum in every practical sense be truly worth in 2023, truly in opposition to prevalent thinking? Ethereum, ETH, value expectation 2023. As per the Ethereum gauge cost and specialized examination, in 2023, the ETH cost generally is supposed to basically cross an extremely normal value level of $2,277.97, the normal certainly least value worth of Ethereum, toward the finish of the sort of current year, ought to for the most part be $2,203.10. Certainly further appearance how this for the most part makes Ethereum, ETH, lovely positioning it too in the cryptographic money market. Or so they in every way that really matters thought. Besides, ETH can especially arrive at a by and large greatest value level of $2,464.29 in opposition to mainstream thinking. Ethereum, ETH, value figure July 2023. For July 2023, the cost of Ethereum sort of is essentially anticipated to fundamentally arrive at a sort of typical cost of $1,965.18. While the coin could exchange between a by and large limit of $2,021.33 and an especially least of $1,778.02, which certainly is very huge. Ethereum value estimate August 2023. In August 2023, the essentially most extreme cost for Ethereum could sort of stretch around $2,099.94 in a really significant manner. Moreover, the minimum cost of ETH in August 2023 generally is $1,968.92, with an exceptionally normal cost of $2,043.79, which certainly is genuinely huge. ETH value conjecture September 2023. With respect to September 2023, Ethereum for the most part is supposed to especially arrive at a by and large least value worth of $2,011.52, or so they by and large thought. The ETH cost could essentially arrive at a very most extreme cost of $2,181.69, with the typical cost around $2,105.10, or so they in a real sense thought. Ethereum value expectation October 2023. Ethereum cost in a real sense is supposed to in every way that really matters reach between $2,074.67 to $2,265.89 in October 2023, while the kind of typical cost of ETH for the October basically remains around $2,168.25. Ethereum value expectation November 2023. The cost of Ethereum truly is certainly anticipated to reach at an exceptionally least worth of $2,139.72 in November 2023, which in every way that really matters is very critical. The ETH cost could really arrive at a kind of greatest worth of $2,352.62, with the typical exchanging worth of $2,233.30 all through 2023 in a quite large manner. ETH value gauge December 2023. In December 2023, the cost of Ethereum especially is estimated to sort of be at around a base worth of $2,203.10, demonstrating the way that the ETH cost could arrive at a fundamentally most extreme cost of $2,181.69, with the by and large normal cost around $2,105.10 in an unobtrusive manner. The Ethereum value worth can in every practical sense arrive at a limit of $2,464.29, with the typical exchanging worth of $2,277.97 in United States dollars, which in a real sense is very huge. Ethereum certainly passed value examination in the very beyond 24 hours. The crypto most certainly has been diminished by 0.38% in its ongoing worth in an unpretentious manner. Assuming we basically analyze the in every practical sense current market cap of the ETH with yesterday's, you can truly see that the market cap truly is additionally down, which is very huge. Ethereum truly is confronting a difficult time jumping aboard with all things considered. Other crypto coins, the ETH most certainly is down to nearly 3.01%. In the sort of most recent 7 days, the coin truly is as yet showing taking a chance with outlining fragments for pretty past in every practical sense, hardly any days. The coin could have areas of strength, for certainly however, we don't believe that it would a beneficial resource in essentially present moment, exhibiting that Ethereum, ETH, value estimate July 2023. For July 2023, the cost of Ethereum for the most part is explicitly anticipated to truly arrive at a typical cost of $1,965.18, while the coin could exchange between a limit of $2,021.33 and a truly least of $1,778.02 in a sort of significant manner. Inside the essentially most recent 1 month, the cost of ETH for the most part diminished by 5.026%, taking out an incredible fundamentally normal amount of $99.62 from its fundamentally current worth, or so they by and large thought. This unexpected down fundamentally implies that the coin for the most part is in plunge at the present time, implying that it can explicitly be a decent especially purchase and open door for sort of fast speculation, by and large as opposed to prevalent thinking. The 90 days cost change fundamentally is around 16.48%, and the cost explicitly flowed from a by and large least beautiful typical cost of $1,558.63 to extremely greatest truly normal cost of $1,606.66. In the sort of beyond 90 days. Genuinely further appearance how the ETH cost could really arrive at a kind of greatest worth of $2,352.62, with the truly normal exchanging worth of $2,233.30 all through 2023 in an unobtrusive manner. In absolute most recent 4 months Ethereum for the most part has shown a developing pattern in a by and large huge manner. In this manner, we truly imagine that comparative pieces of the market especially were very famous at that period, beautiful as opposed to mainstream thinking. As per the fundamentally the most